What's up everyone, Patrick here again with BATV, and today we're going to do some interior work. Even though the car has some vacuum issues, I really want to take care of some stuff inside. Obviously the cluster not working is important to me. Just really anything that's going to get it back to a good running condition. The first thing I'm going to do though is take out this golf cart mirror. It's just really not my style and I gotta get it out of here. In the middle of doing this, I realized why I have nice drills. Why don't I use the drill? I should just use my nice drill. And I'm back now because I realized my nice drill is at my house and not in the garage. Screwdriver it is. Might as well throw that thing in the trash. I do happen to have the OEM visors, and I might be able to get them mounted. One screw a piece, but it'll do. Wow, that is so much better. Let's do the other one. Nice. So I do also have the OEM rearview mirror. It's not perfect, but it seems to function as it should. And I'm gonna get that mounted up here now, if I can figure out how to do it. On this piece, you can see the teeth that grab that bolt. So I'm going to put all that together. Cool. Mount it up. Now we're going to put it on the car. So to my knowledge, the instrument cluster in this car is not the original. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking this dash apart and get behind this cluster and see if I can't find any wiring issues. Here I am using a screwdriver and I have a nice set of plastic pool tools, so I'm gonna grab those. These guys are the best. Don't ever let anyone tell you that size doesn't matter, because it does. Of course, there are no screws up here. Should be 3, there's none. Which means if I've guessed correctly, the only screws holding this in are the screws deep inside there. Which means I need a magnet. Lucky for me, my magnet's right here. I feel like those come off, but I don't remember.
First thing I'm gonna do is,
Well, the tabs for the cruise control wiring, they're broken. So I don't plan on having cruise control in this car. I still don't want to cut the wires, but that's a little annoying. That's a little annoying. Managed to get it. On the back side of this cluster, there is a cable, a manual cable that controls the tach, I believe. And it's located down here on the bottom. It's quite difficult to get to. Found a shortcut to that cable through the fuse panel, but while I'm down here, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this knee plate. Just as suspected. You can see it right there. That's the cable I need loose so I can get this cluster out. And just like that, bow, cluster's out. Looks to be in good shape. This is the second time I've seen these markings, which means these parts were acquired. Believe it or not, the fuel tank had it also. It's like a mouse might have lived in here or something. Found a couple random wires. I'm not exactly sure what they go to. They look like they come up into the radio area, and I'm gonna go ahead and take all that apart. I'm not sure if this radio even works, but I'd imagine we'd replace it anyways. We might leave it in there. We might just see what the value is. I don't know. Someone might want it. You can see here, someone went real hack job on all of these wires for the radio. This harness might be applicable to that specific radio. I'm not sure. But to be honest, I'm just going to cut it all out and restart. I'm going to put my own audio system in this vehicle. It looks like they wired this is obviously not OEM. And it looks like they wired one connector to another connector. I don't quite understand what's going on here, but we're going to replace all that.